National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the following New Jersey counties: Burlington and Camden, plus the following Pennsylvania counties: Bucks, Chester, Delaware, Montgomery, and Philadelphia. Effective until 7:13 p.m. the National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Camden County, in southern New Jersey, northwestern Burlington County, in southern New Jersey, southeastern Montgomery County, in southeastern Pennsylvania, southeastern Bucks County, in southeastern Pennsylvania, northeastern Chester County, in southeastern Pennsylvania, Philadelphia County, in southeastern Pennsylvania, northeastern Delaware County, in southeastern Pennsylvania. Until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:13 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Norristown, or 12 miles northwest of Philadelphia, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source: public. Impact: damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Philadelphia, Camden, Cherry Hill, Salem, Evesham, Mount Laurel, Norristown, Willingboro, Medford, Phoenixville, West Norriton, East Norriton, Lumberton, Florence, Yeadon, Burlington, Bristol, Mount Holly, Riverside, and Conshohocken. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exits 4 and 6A, Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 319359 Northeast Extension between mile markers 21 and 27, Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 19 and 14, Interstate 76 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 327348, Interstate 295 W Jersey between mile markers 34